How to see boards on Shein app. Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'll guide you on how you can see boards on the Shein app, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to find boards on the Shein app, all you have to do is first of all just launch the Shein app from your app store, and once you launch the Shein app, make sure you sign into the account. Now boards and wish lists are basically a little bit different because you can add custom items and based on categories. You can add them to your boards and such as your taste, your categories, but that's not how it works on wish list. Now in order to see your boards on the Shein app, first of all just launch the Shein app. Then as I said, just tap the heart icon that you see from the top right, which is the wish list icon. So you want to make sure to tap on that icon here. Once you tap on it, by default you're going to be under wish list, but if you'd like to view your boards, then you can just come to the boards tab, and here you'll be able to see the boards that you've made. If you'd like to create a new board, tap on the create button. If you'd like to share the current board, you can tap the share button in order to do so as well. And that is it for today's video on how you can see boards on the Shein app. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you in the next video.